Welcome to our exploration of constructivist theories in education. Today, we embark on a journey into a transformative approach that has reshaped classrooms worldwide. At its core, constructivism values active learning, where students build their understanding through experiences, reflection, and collaboration. So, what exactly is constructivism? It's an approach where learners construct their knowledge rather than passively consuming information. Imagine a classroom where students are not just recipients of facts, but active participants in their educational journey. This hands-on engagement allows them to connect new ideas with past experiences, leading to deeper understanding and retention. Why is this important? Traditional education often focuses on rote memorization and standardized testing. Constructivism shifts the focus to critical thinking, problem solving, and the application of knowledge in real-life contexts. This makes learning more relevant and meaningful for students. Join us as we delve into the rich history of constructivist thought, discover its key theorists, and explore its principles and applications in modern education. As we move forward, you'll see how these ideas have developed over time, impacting classrooms and inspiring educators worldwide. To uncover the roots of constructivist theories in education, we must journey back to the early 20th century. This era was bustling with intellectual exploration, with theorists like Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky leading the charge. They laid the groundwork for a transformative approach to learning. Jean Piaget, a Swiss psychologist, introduced the concept of cognitive development, where children construct understanding through hands-on experiences. He identified distinct stages of cognitive growth, each crucial in shaping a child's perception of the world. Meanwhile, in the Soviet Union, Lev Vygotsky emphasized the importance of social interaction in cognitive development. His theory highlighted that learning is inherently a social process, enriched by cultural tools and language. From these early theorists' foundational ideas, we witness the birth of constructivism, a framework that views learners as active participants in their educational journey. As we explore these historical origins, we gain insight into how these ideas have evolved and adapted to modern education. Our journey through constructivist theories brings us to some of the most influential minds in education. Jean Piaget, a pioneering psychologist, introduced the concept of cognitive development stages, where children progress through distinct stages of growth, reshaping their understanding of the world at each level. Meanwhile, Lev Vygotsky emphasized the critical role of social interaction in learning, suggesting that knowledge is constructed through social dialogue and cultural context. John Dewey, a philosopher and educational reformer, championed experiential education, arguing education should be grounded in real-life experiences to foster critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Together, these theorists laid the groundwork for modern constructivist learning, each contributing unique insights that shaped educational practices worldwide. As we delve deeper, we'll explore how their foundational ideas translate into practical strategies for today's classrooms, enhancing active and collaborative learning environments. Stay tuned as we uncover the principles of constructivist learning and their profound impact on education. At the heart of constructivist learning is a transformative idea. Students learn best when actively engaged. This approach centers on active learning, where learners immerse themselves in hands-on activities that prompt critical thinking and self-discovery. Experiential learning follows closely, emphasizing real-world classroom experiences. Students thrive when they connect theoretical knowledge to practical applications, making learning memorable and meaningful. Collaboration is the final cornerstone. When students work together, they share perspectives, challenge ideas, and build understanding collectively. This trio, active engagement, experiential learning, and collaboration, forms the bedrock of constructivist education, creating an environment where students are empowered as lifelong learners. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles are brought to life in classrooms, demonstrating the profound impact of constructivist methods on contemporary education. In today's classrooms, the principles of constructivism come to life through dynamic pedagogy. Project-based learning allows students to lead their learning journeys through hands-on projects that apply knowledge to real-world problems. Inquiry-based learning spurs critical thinking, encouraging students to ask questions, explore, and discover, forming their understanding through research and reasoning. Problem-based learning challenges students to solve complex real-world issues, collaborating with peers to find creative solutions. These methods embody constructivism, facilitating active, reflective, and collaborative learning that prepares students for the complexities of the modern world. As we continue, we'll explore the hurdles educators face in adopting constructivist approaches and how they overcome them to create enriching learning environments. Despite the benefits of constructivism, adopting these approaches in education comes with challenges. Traditional teaching methods are deeply rooted, creating resistance to change. Educators and institutions are wary of shifting from familiar techniques to methods requiring transformation in mindset and practice. Constructivism demands a dynamic, flexible classroom environment, daunting for those accustomed to structured, teacher-centered instruction. It also involves rethinking assessment strategies, moving from standardized tests to holistic evaluations. Implementing constructivist strategies often requires additional resources, training, and support, which aren't always available. This scarcity can hinder educators' willingness and ability to embrace change. The dominance of traditional approaches, combined with resistance to new methods, presents a web of obstacles. Understanding these challenges is the first step toward overcoming them and paving the way for a more engaging, student-centered learning experience. As we move forward, we'll explore how constructivism adapts to modern educational needs, incorporating technology and personalized learning. As we progress into the digital age, constructivist theories have evolved, integrating modern technology and personalized learning to meet contemporary educational needs. This shift has made education more relevant, engaging, and effective. With tablets, interactive whiteboards, and personalized learning platforms, students actively shape their educational journeys. Personalized learning addresses each student's unique needs, ensuring education is tailored to individual growth and development. The blend of technology and constructivist principles has redefined learning approaches, showcasing the adaptability of constructivist theories. As we continue to innovate, the fusion of these elements promises a future where education keeps pace with technological advancements, fostering environments where students thrive. In the next segment, we'll explore real-world success stories that highlight the transformative power of constructivist approaches in modern education. Stay tuned for insightful success stories exemplifying this dynamic shift. Let's look at success stories where constructivist approaches have transformed learning experiences. Across classrooms globally, educators have seen remarkable changes with active, experiential, and collaborative learning methods. In one case study, a high school science class used project-based learning to explore environmental issues. Students engaged in real projects, collaborating with local communities to address actual problems, resulting in increased engagement and a deeper understanding of the subject. Another success story is an elementary school utilizing inquiry-based learning, where students led their investigations on topics of passion. This boosted critical thinking skills and fostered a love for lifelong learning. Lastly, a college integrated problem-based learning, with students working in teams to find solutions to real-world challenges. This approach produced graduates better prepared for the modern workforce's complexities. These examples demonstrate the positive impact of constructivist methods. As we move forward, you'll see why experts predict constructivism as the future of education. In this final segment, we turn to leading educators and researchers who share insights on the future of constructivist theories and their transformative impact on education. These experts highlight the need for continued emphasis on active, experience-driven learning that reflects evolving societal and technological demands. They emphasize how constructivist approaches foster critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration, preparing students for unprecedented challenges. These profound insights reveal a clear vision for the next generation of education, where constructivist principles are deeply integrated into every classroom. Their perspectives shed light on emerging trends and innovative practices shaping tomorrow's educational landscape. Join us as we delve into the potential and promise of constructivist theories encouraging us to envision and enact a more dynamic, engaging, and equitable future for learners everywhere. As we move forward, let's embrace these insights and work collectively to transform education for the better. In conclusion, constructivist theories offer a powerful framework for active and meaningful learning. We've explored the origins, key contributors, and practical applications of these theories in modern education. We've seen how constructivism fosters engagement through project-based, inquiry-based, and problem-based learning, adapting to today's technological advancements. We've also addressed the challenges and witnessed the transformative successes in global classrooms. Now, it's your turn. Embrace constructivism in your teaching practice. Encourage students to build knowledge through their experiences, foster collaborative environments, and integrate technology to meet diverse needs. The potential to revolutionize education is in your hands. By implementing these methods, you can create a more interactive, reflective, and impactful learning experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through constructivist theories. Together, let's shape the future of education.